Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to DerekBaranProductions for another video. And as you can see, I'm here sitting in the rain. But inside that garage right there is something that I can't believe has happened. It's been a long time coming. And you guys can tell from the title and thumbnail of this video, we sold the Cobra. The Cobra is gone. And our new replacement is inside that garage right there. So I just want to go and thank you all for absolutely everything, for all the support. This new vehicle of mine is probably by far the most favorite I've ever had in my life, and I just don't think there's anything that's gonna ever top it. But I'm getting absolutely pissed on, and without further ado, everyone, I would like to welcome the new vehicle to the DBP YouTube channel. Here we go. I would like to welcome Bucky the e-bike.
Ain't no fucking with me. We ain't cut from the same cloth, but you can't hang for the feet. I just wanna keep it G. Doing 100 and we running, got the brand on the T. Yeah, say DBP. Bitch ass haters wanna be like me. Tryna ride my wave, gonna die that way. I don't give a fuck and that's okay.
We got a big package in the mail today, boys. Listen, if you want cool shit like this, start a YouTube channel. You know, people just review this for me. And that's what we're gonna do today. On a serious note, we have the Terminator Cobra's replacement. As you can see from the title and thumbnail of the video, you can see the garage is now empty. Show them, Ben, the car's gone. It's on its way to Mississippi. And yeah, Cobra's gone, but this is gonna be the replacement. You know, I've been thinking long and hard about the economy and long and hard about like how I just want to better the world and just, you know, make everybody happy. I just want to do the right thing. I'm thinking about moving to California and buying a Tesla as well. So this, I feel like, is a great start to introduce me into the electric world. I'm very, very honored today to, you know, put my pride to the side and dig deep and just do what's right. That's what we're doing. So I hope to God Derek needs a fucking knife, but no, he has 200,000 sheets of sandpaper. Today's video sponsor and partner is going out to Velowave, and they specialize in e-bikes. And it's kind of funny because I love the like mountain bike and stuff. I obviously don't take it super serious, but I like biking. And now that why did I put that away? The nice weather's finally here, and I've always like considered getting one of these, but I just didn't know if it was like worth it. So again, the perks of a YouTube channel. If you guys want free shit, just make a channel and shut up and make content. Maybe one day you can get yourself a Velowave. Do we need the instructions? Packaging. It's like a lot of foam plastic. So I don't think this would be Elon approved. That works too.
That works too.
Ooh, look at that Velowave, baby. You know how many subscribers this is gonna get me, dude? Like, fuck Cobra. You just got a black Velowave.
It's because it's less weight when it travels. You know, they have to keep the air out, so it's lighter.
Makes sense. Hope everybody watching right now is jealous. Technically speaking, people bike to get fit. My fat ass is gonna ride this to the gym and not pedal once. So like, what is the purpose of this? Dude, I'm actually getting very, very emotional right now. I'm not kidding. Joe would be so fucking proud.
Joe?
Yeah.
Rogan?
Biden, your dad, you fuck.
Joe
Rogan. I actually had a vehicle that almost matched this back in the day.
Which one?
It was a 2004 Cobra.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that I sold today.
That's right.
So I'm kind of an emotional mess.
Yeah.
But I got a big wheel e-bike.
Dude,
if you really think about it, like the way I look at this whole thing, I got rid of a 23,000 mile gas guzzling, chop in the block Cobra, and we grew up. Like we're done playing games. We're done acting like children. We got ourselves an e-bike because we're being responsible adults. We're trying to better the environment. We're trying to get everybody on board, save the whales.
Real quick question that you mentioned, you know, saving the whales and all that stuff. Where do they get all of the metals, the precious metals from around the world to make the batteries for this bike?
Oh,
how do they transport them and stuff like that?
It's actually a very, very big process that involves a lot of gas with drilling. Like I got an e-bike now though, so we're good.
All right.
She's built. She bad to the bone. Look at this brake. That's fire. Let's cook her up. We got the battery plugged in. Power button. Ooh, come look at this. We got the welcome sign. Bang, we're gonna put this bit on a 5. Got 80% battery. We about to cook this thing or what?
Spraying rubber already. Oh.
Had to warm the puppies up, baby. Should I pedal first? I gotta test the pedaling first. Oh, this motherfucker went by itself.
Oh, really? Andy's off. His first day riding his bike. Jesus Christ. That was 30?
That was 30. You
God,
gotta give it a go. Dude, this thing is badass. I got a fucking breath.
You pedaled too hard.
I feel like I was on the Tour de France. That's what it's called. Whew, man, what an upgrade from the Cobra, I tell you. Bitch, that's my tire. Obviously, I was kidding, guys. No, I'm not kidding. This is the Cobra's replacement. Way better. I'm way more happier with my life now. And
you all good?
no, yeah, of course. This is gonna be a fun ride to the gym every morning. So, shout out to you, Velowave, for real, guys. This is sick. Like they're sleek looking too, aren't they?
Mm-hmm.
Like it's not like out there. It's just nice, dark, like a shadow black. These are the big wheels. They have multiple versions. I think this one retails for $1,700, and there is a discount code if you use my code and stuff. It's all in the description. Go check out Velowave. The bike is sick though. The pedal assist is so cool. Like if I want to do just electric the whole way, I just use my thumb, and whenever I pedal, I went down this hill doing 30. It's pretty quick on a bike.
Yeah,
I was scooting. Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Yeah, we were scooting. So it's pretty sweet, but on average with just electric it does 20. With pedaling on average is about 23, 24 miles per hour. So I mean it's a pretty solid ride.
When are you jumping it?
So it is for sale. If any, I just pinched the nut. Ow. God! I will build a ramp right now.
I was about to say, when are you jumping it?
Oh, I'm sending this bitch back. It doesn't have a fucking water bottle holder. Look at that peasant. Yo, I'm thinking we go for a ride.
Yeah, let's do it.
Motorcycle and my motorcycle. It's our biker gang. All right, we're gonna go to my gym, all right?
Yep, right across the street.
Oh yeah? All right, well, here's our first red light. Let me downshift.
This ain't downshift?
Yeah.
Hopefully we pick it up.
Huh?
Hopefully we pick up the light.
We should, right? We go, baby! Fuck! I can't go any faster! Oh yeah, what a beautiful day, dude! I don't even need a motorcycle. We're golden. Oh, it's 25, I'm speeding!
Slow down.
We're doing 30. Kind of want a motorcycle now. You know, not that I need it or anything. This thing's faster than Ben's, but it would still be pretty cool. I gotta back my bike up. You know, we're not peasants. We don't pull in. Boom. Let's go. The bike that could. Damn. Fire, dude. I'm not gonna lie. I just got a workout.
Yeah.
I was doing 30.
I bet.
Whew. No, that's my ride to the gym though every morning. So, I mean, it really ain't bad at all. You guys honestly think I could take Ben in a race? Because I really do think I'll dog his shit. Tesla, my brother's behind us. There's a car, dude. You want to race? This is perfect though for my gym.
Yeah.
Perfect. Oh shit, that was huge. And we made it. Easy peasy. Let me take that for a run real quick. You gonna ride it with your helmet? Want to trade?
Totally.
Oh, my bad. Wrong way. It's all right. You could be jealous, man.
I know, dude.
I know the pedal bike is like
fucking speed, dude. It's
look at it's a different level of speed. Like Lance never even went 32.
No,
you know what I'm saying? So it's
and
like,
he had one less nut to hold him down.
that's what I'm saying.